Welcome home. I'm Joss Burgess, Realtor with the Plowman team, and really excited to take you on the tour of our home for sale. This place is located in Oshawa, semi-detached, 2-story, and so many amazing things about it. Here we are on the bright main floor featuring dining, living, kitchen, eat-in space, garage entry, and a sliding glass walkout to a beautiful deck overlooking your ravine spot. Check it all out and I'll meet you upstairs. And here we are upstairs. 3 beautifully sized bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, and this super cool nook. You could use it as a play space, a reading space, or even an office space. Have a look at all of that, and I'll meet you in the next spot downstairs. And here we are in the lower level. We have a full kitchen, breakfast bar, bathroom, bedroom, and a walkout to the yard overlooking the incredible green space. Thanks for taking this tour of this home for sale located in Oshawa. If you have any questions, give the number above a call. And don't forget, click below and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on all of our homes for sale.